Nice to meet you. My name is Alana Bryant. I'm currently a third-year medical student at Meharry Medical College. We're located in Nashville, Tennessee, and it is an HBCU, which I am really proud of and take a lot of pride in. I'm currently interested in OB-GYN so far. I'm currently on my internal medicine rotation, and it's kicking my butt. Yeah, but it is what it is, and I'm plugging and chugging, so it's going great. I honestly only spent 2 months of my medical career without Amboss, which has been a blessing. But before I started using Amboss, it was really just relying on lectures. It was really, what are the professors teaching us? What is available in our textbooks? And it felt like I had to bounce back and forth between, skimming an entire chapter to find one little tidbit of important information, as opposed to using Amboss. You can just search up, a keyword, and it'll give you a full layout of the full disease or the full clinical picture that we need to focus on. And I think that is what's really changed the game for me with Amboss. Before, oh my gosh, I had binders full of papers. I would print off the lectures because I'm also a visual person. I like to write things out. I like to feel things, but I just had all of this paper, and it would take me forever to make it through my notes and to type out all my notes. And when I started using the Amboss learning cards, it's like I didn't have to, regurgitate everything that I had learned into one document. I could just read through it and I could skim it. And if I forgot it, I can just go right back to it. I know where it is. I can search it. I think another thing is that I was able to start actually testing my knowledge and testing what I knew. When I was relying on online videos and just the textbooks, I was scrambling. I felt like I didn't have any time. I couldn't really get myself organized, get myself together. But Amboss just had everything in one place. And I would like to use the question banks, and I would just, do biochemistry questions, and I automatically saw my scores just taking it to the roof.
When I first started, I was like, Amboss, you were very rude.
Yeah.
Your questions are so difficult.
They come for you.
Oh, they come for your entire life. And I didn't realize that I could lower, if it was just a day where I'm just exhausted, I'm feeling tired, I could have lowered my, the level of difficulty.
The difficulty? Yes.
Hammers.
Yes.
I could have brought the hammers down to one hammer, don't hammer me 5 times. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. Yeah.
And I learned that after the fact. Mm-hmm. So that's definitely, I would say, even moving forward, that's one of my, favorite features is being able to change the difficulty of the questions. I think another one of my favorite features, honestly, that I use during clerkship that I would really advise you to continue using if you don't, is just downloading the Knowledge app on your phone. So if I had to take a bathroom break because I didn't know an answer to a question they had on rounds, I just Google it really quickly through the Knowledge Bank, read up the clinical presentation, find the treatment for it, find any complications, and then come back and be like, oh no, I think the answer to your question.
Yeah. I actually forgot to mention that too. I use the apps as well. Yeah. It's really convenient when you are trying to be on the go, but you still have to study, or say, for example, I was on a road trip a couple weeks ago, and it was 9 hours long, but I had an exam coming up the next Tuesday. So what I did, I have the app on my phone, and I just did questions the entire car ride. And I was able to kind of get just content review and doing regular thing, a regular day. If I'm in the grocery store, I'm standing in line, I can do questions. I can knock out a couple things that I felt like I needed to cover, but couldn't really get through sitting at the desk. So being mobile with the app is great.
Yeah. So I was going to ask you what your favorite feature is. It sounds like it might be its mobility, but is there anything else that you want to mention?
My favorite, I think being able to tailor the study plans. The study plans are my favorite thing, because what I've been doing, the first clerkship that I had was psychiatry, and I didn't know where to start. I didn't know what to study. We didn't really get as much, kind of learning instruction as I was expecting. So Amboss had recently come out with, hey, if you come up with a study plan, you can set what date your test is and tell us how many questions you want to do, how much time you want to spend a day, and we'll put together this plan. And that has saved my life. It kind of allows me to plan my days.
I think med students are really, they have an eye for efficiency.
Yes.
Don't make me Google and flip through this and open this textbook and do all this just to answer one question and to review it. That's too much work. Time is a valued resource.
I agree.
So that was something that I was like, oh, thank you. That is the greatest you could give us right now.